The new 2023 Benelli Tornado Naked Twin 500. A tried and tested 500cc engine, a two-cylinder 500cc engine, front speed, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, capable of producing a maximum power of 47.6 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute, and a peak torque of 46 Nm at 6,000 revolutions per minute. The engine is the same, but there are new design changes to the clutch cover and transmission cover, which are designed to better fit the engine position in the new frame. The chassis of the new Tornado Naked Twin 500 is entrusted to a steel tube trellis frame combined with 50mm upside-down forks, and a swingarm with shock absorbers. The braking system uses double 320mm semi-floating discs with four-piston radial calipers at the front, while at the rear there are 260mm discs with single-piston floating calipers. 17 aluminum alloy rims are available in white, fitted with 120/70ths and 160/60ths tires, respectively. The tank has a capacity of 14 liters, and the 500 Naked weighs 199 kilograms.